point of coming to Ghana if we can't make our fufu the proper Ghanaian way? Watch me, Akua Dimples. I'm bringing you Ghana. Come here. Let's do the pounding and this thing. He started already, guys.
Guys, I'm so skilled, I can even use one hand.
He's lying.
One.
There's nothing like a delicious bowl of fufu. Kiss from the Dimple. Kiss from the Dimple. Akua Dimples. I'm signing in. Hi family. Today we are still in Ghana. Yes we are. And we are going to make an authentic Ghanaian dish. Fufu and light soup with goat meat. Ponching. My sister told me ponching meat, which is goat meat, okay? So we're going to, this is not a cooking video by the way guys, I'm not teaching you how to make it. I am giving you a feel of Ghana, a real taste of Ghana, okay? So come with us, follow us as we make this local delicacy. You know the Ashantis, the trees, we love our fufu and light soup. So let's go guys, I hope you enjoy. The hard work, guys. No easy way out. Authentic. Real authentic. Guys, and you have to wash it. Make sure it's thoroughly clean because we're going to use it to pound the fufu, you know what I mean? I'm bringing you authentic Ghana, okay? We've got a kitchen, you know, we've got the neat fufu powder that we can easily use, but what's the point of coming to Ghana if we can't make our fufu the proper Ghanaian way? Watch me, Akua Dimples. I'm bringing you Ghana. So yes guys, this is what you called wardrobe. So this was the warmer and this is the wardrobe, okay? And we're gonna make our fufu now. Come here, let's do the pounding and this thing.
Guys, I'm so skilled, I can even use one hand.
He's lying.
One. Have you ever done this before?
Guys, come and see. Come closer. Come and see the, you know. So guys, can you see literally this is the consistency we want, yeah? So that consistency literally means we're ready to now move on to the cassava, and we're going to pound the cassava as well, okay? There's nothing like a delicious bowl of fufu on an afternoon like this, you know. Thank you for joining us as we prepare this delicious bowl of fufu. Have a loving afternoon, guys. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples. I am signing out. Bye.